In the vastness of space, where temperatures already plunge close to absolute zero, one place defies all expectations, colder than the emptiness between the stars. This is the Boomerang Nebula, the coldest known place in the universe. To understand how extraordinary this is, consider this: the background radiation of the universe, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, keeps all of space at about 2.7 Kelvin. That's minus 270 degrees Celsius. Yet here, in this remote corner of our galaxy, the Boomerang Nebula has cooled to just 1 Kelvin, colder than any natural place we know. Even colder than liquid nitrogen, colder than Pluto's icy plains, colder than the frozen void of intergalactic space itself. The Boomerang Nebula was discovered in 1995 by astronomers using a radio telescope in Chile. They were searching the sky in the constellation Centaurus when they found something astonishing. Lying about 5,000 light-years away, this faint cloud of gas stood out because of its temperature. Follow-up observations with the Hubble Space Telescope and later with the Atacama Large Millimeter Array revealed an object shaped like a bow tie, a structure expanding rapidly and far colder than the background of the universe. To find something in the cosmos that is colder than space itself was shocking. It meant something unusual, something extreme, was happening here. The secret of the Boomerang Nebula's chill lies in the death throes of a star. Billions of years old, this star reached the end of its life and began shedding its outer layers. As the gas escaped, it expanded into the surrounding void at incredible speed, more than 500,000 kilometers per hour. And in physics, when gas expands, it cools. Here, the expansion was so rapid that the gas cooled to nearly absolute zero. Astronomers call this an adiabatic cooling process. It's the same principle behind how air expands and cools when released from a pressurized can, but on a scale of light-years, not millimeters. The result was a vast frozen cloud, a cosmic breath so cold it dropped below the universal background itself, a place where molecules move slower than anywhere else known in the universe. But the Boomerang Nebula is more than just cold. Its eerie hourglass shape makes it one of the strangest objects in the galaxy. Two powerful jets of gas blast out in opposite directions, sculpting the nebula into a glowing bow tie of frozen starlight. At first, early telescope images suggested a curved boomerang, giving it its name. But later, sharper observations revealed its true nature: a symmetrical bipolar outflow, like a pair of wings stretching across space. This shape is common in planetary nebulae, but rarely is it seen with such clarity or such extreme conditions. It is the dying star's last performance, a cosmic sculpture carved by stellar winds, preserved in the ice of space. Studying the Boomerang Nebula gives astronomers a rare chance to watch the final act of stellar evolution unfold. Stars like our Sun will one day shed their outer layers, forming planetary nebulae that enrich the galaxy with heavy elements, the building blocks of planets and life. The Boomerang Nebula is an extreme laboratory for these processes. It shows us how stellar winds shape nebulae, how rapid cooling alters the chemistry of gas clouds, and how stars seed the cosmos with the materials that make future worlds possible. Comparing it with other nebulae, the Helix Nebula, the Cat's Eye, or the Butterfly Nebula, scientists can trace the diversity of stellar deaths. And they can see how even a single dying star can create beauty and mystery on an unimaginable scale. It reminds us that in the universe, even in death, stars are creators. The Boomerang Nebula is a fleeting moment in cosmic time. Within the next 1,000 years, its outflow will slow, its gas will warm, and it will become just another planetary nebula drifting among the stars. But for now, it holds a unique and fragile title: the coldest place in the known universe. Colder than outer space itself. It is a reminder that the cosmos is filled with wonders we have only begun to uncover, and that sometimes the most extraordinary secrets are hidden in the coldest, quietest corners of the night sky.